Russia claims to have Photon radar, which makes stealth technology useless. In this case, experts say that if this radar is installed, which they believe will happen, the American F-35 and F-22 fighters will not have the necessary effectiveness against Russian weapons systems equipped with this Photon radar. The United States likes to show off its modern stealth fighters, such as the F-35 and F-22, but in the foreseeable future they will be useless, said engineers from the Russian concern Vega. Engineers say they have succeeded in developing phase-active radar thanks to the principles of radiophonics. The prototype has already been tested and, according to a Moscow Komsomol member, is successful. Active phased array antennas allow the production of radars that are smaller than those currently used by the military.